Forgotten username recovery failed on Cryptocom Fix. If you've lost access to your Cryptocom account because you forgot your username, don't worry, most people try random guesses and get stuck, but the solution is simpler than you think. Cryptocom relies on your registered email and identity verification to safely restore your account. Step 1. Go to the Cryptocom login page and click on Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. Cryptocom will send an email containing your username or a secure recovery link. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, prepare your full name, a government issued it, and any recent transaction details. Cryptocom support can verify your identity and guide you through manual recovery. Step 3. Follow the instructions in the email carefully. If it does appear in your inbox, check your spam or junk folders. It often ends up there by mistake. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact Cryptocom support directly. Provide your verification details, explain that the automated process didn't work, and their team will help you regain access safely. Remember, forgetting your Cryptocom username does lock you out permanently. With the correct email or verification details, you can recover your account quickly and continue managing your crypto without interruption. Consider updating your recovery email and enabling two-factor authentication to prevent future issues.